Okay, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to this explainer. Today we're uncovering something that completely flew under the radar for, well, pretty much most traders out there. We're looking at a brand new integrated tool called Tradingview Remix. And honestly, what's totally wild here is that Tradingview, literally the biggest charting platform on the planet, quietly launched a native AI copilot, and they barely made a peep about it. No big announcement, nothing. So today we're going to explore exactly how you can use this hidden AI to automate your trade setups like an absolute pro, like a seasoned software engineer pulling all this straight from our latest source materials. So did TradingView actually hide an AI? Well, our sources reveal they didn't even advertise this official public beta tool. For the longest time, traders have been trying to force AI into TradingView by connecting outside tools like Claude or ChatGPT through these really complex desktop workarounds. And look, not only were those methods super clunky, but they were also totally against TradingView's terms of service. Like you were practically guaranteed to get your account shut down. So finding Remix, it's like a real insider discovery. It completely replaces those sketchy terms of service violating hacks with an official native solution that actually has full access to your data, your indicators, and your watch lists. The whole shebang. And this really brilliantly illustrates just how under the radar this launch actually was. One of our sources, a developer and trader, shared this pretty hilarious anecdote. He literally said, I just found it because I asked Claude how I can automate TradingView with AI, and it said, hey, I found this website about this product, and it seems to be official. Think about that. He stumbled onto this incredibly powerful official tool purely by asking another AI. That really sets the stage for us today, right? This is a practical, cutting-edge breakthrough that's just kind of being passed around among peers right now. All right, moving into section 1, the Signum Automation Bridge. So, having an AI chatbot right there in your charting software, neat gimmick. But to turn this thing into a ruthless, hands-free execution machine, we need a bridge, specifically a bot service called Signum. Now, the workflow here is basically this brilliant little hack. Step 1, you pop into your Signum bot settings and copy their pre-made TradingView custom alert prompt. Step 2, you open up the TradingView Remix chat, paste that prompt right in, and here's where you take the wheel. You literally just change one word to specify if you want the long or the short trade that the AI just proposed to you. Step 3, you hit send. Instantly, the AI reads that prompt and automatically builds out the complex webhook and execution alerts directly on your chart. It's almost like magic. So what exactly is happening behind the scenes when you hit send? Well, the AI is automatically configuring your entire automated execution setup. It drops in the proper webhook destination, which, if you don't know, is basically the hidden URL that fires the signal over to your exchange. But it doesn't stop there. No way. It automatically calculates and sets your exact entry price, your take profit level, and your stop loss level, all hardwired right into that TradingView alert. It totally saves you from that incredibly tedious, error-prone process of manually typing out custom alerts yourself. Let's transition over to section 2, the risk filter. Now, before you just hand the AI the keys and let it take the wheel completely, our sources issue a very stern warning. While the TradingView Remix AI is crazy smart at analyzing chart technicals and wiring up those webhooks, it is completely, hopelessly naive when it comes to risk management and capital protection. Which brings us to the absolute most important number in this entire explainer, 2 to 1. You have got to rigidly enforce a minimum 2-1 reward to risk ratio, meaning for every single dollar you risk losing on a stop loss, the setup has to have the potential to make at least $2 at your take profit level. Without enforcing this rule, the AI will just gladly execute these low probability setups that will, for sure, slowly bleed your account dry. So how do we actually fix this? Simple, by giving the AI some very strict boundaries. You should literally feed it this exact verbatim phrase: do not give me trades that are not at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. By entering this constraint directly into the Remix chat, you're essentially forcing the AI to filter out all the garbage. It acts as a hard stop, it prevents the AI from taking bad trades, and totally protects your account from its lack of, well, common trading sense. Okay, moving right along to section 3, strategy reporting versus strategy creation. We really need an honest debrief of what this tool does brilliantly versus where it completely falls flat on its face. Because hey, knowing what a tool can't do is just as important as knowing what it can do, right? On the one hand, we've got strategy reporting. Remix is phenomenal at this because it's natively integrated. It can instantly fetch backtesting data, your KPIs, across all your watch lists. It can swap symbols, swap timeframes, and hand you a really comprehensive report on which of your existing strategies is performing the best. It's an absolutely killer analytical assistant. But on the flip side, strategy creation. Look, if you ask it to write new PineScript code from scratch to build a brand new trading strategy, it hallucinates. The logic is terrible, it just fails miserably. Let's look at an example where it actually knocks it out of the park first. One of our sources asked Remix to scan a demo crypto portfolio to find the absolute best strategy. The AI had to check multiple coins, and it even had to dynamically switch over to a 4-hour chart specifically to check an Ishimoku strategy, while checking the others on a standard one-day chart. It handled all that complex data fetching effortlessly and accurately reported back that the winner for that specific portfolio was a strategy called Bought Too Fast Reentry. I mean, this kind of portfolio-wide KPI reporting, that used to take hours of manual clicking. Now, it takes literally seconds. But then, the source asked the AI to create a brand new, robust crypto swing long strategy on a 4-hour chart, totally from scratch. After grinding on the code, correcting its own errors, and finally spitting out a PineScript strategy, the backtest showed a dismal 0.83% net profit over several years. I mean, that is essentially zero. It's a really stark reminder. Use Remix to analyze the strategies you already have and use it to automate your execution. But absolutely, under no circumstances, trust it to write your trading algorithms for you just yet.
Which brings us to our final part, Section 4, Setup and Usage Limits.
Now that we know exactly how to use this thing safely and effectively, we want to make sure you get it up and running without wasting your time, or more importantly, your daily quota. Getting started is actually incredibly straightforward. First off, you don't go to the main Tradingview site. You actually head over to a dedicated site called tvremix.xyz. From there, you just click Install for Chrome. It's just a standard browser extension. Once it's added, make sure you pin the extension to your toolbar so it's always right there while you're looking at your charts. And finally, just open it up and log in using your standard Tradingview credentials. That login step is crucial. That's what securely connects the AI to your specific account data, your indicators, and your subscription tier. But here is the catch. And guys, it's a big one. 15. Because this is a free public beta, and Tradingview is footing the massive computing bill for this AI running in the background, you are strictly limited to just 15 prompts per day. Once you hit that cap, that's it. You are locked out until tomorrow. This is exactly why we talked about using those pre-made, highly specific prompts from tools like Signum and pasting in that exact 2-to-1 risk rule. You simply cannot afford to waste your 15 daily prompts just casually chatting with the AI. You have got to be deliberate, be precise, get your setups automated before you run out of quota. Which really leaves us with this final kind of mind-blowing thought. If this is just the beta, what happens when it actually learns to write profitable code? Right now, sure, Tradingview Remix is an incredible assistant for fetching KPIs and bridging custom alerts to your exchange. It's already saving traders hours of manual setup. But the AI space, it moves at lightning speed. It might write terrible PineScript today, giving you 0.83% returns. But what happens in 6 months or a year? When this native, deeply integrated tool finally understands how to code robust strategies from scratch, it is going to fundamentally change the landscape of retail trading forever. Keep your eyes on this one. Learn to use it now, and you'll be way ahead of the curve when it truly evolves. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope this helps you level up your chart game.